Hai semuanya, welcome back ke channel YouTube saya Behind the Chef. Dan hari ini saya diundang lagi sama salah satu teman saya di tempatnya Ibu Maria. Kita tidak ada di ruang bagus, tapi seperti kalian lihat, asik sekali. Beautiful. Hello Bu Maria, how are you doing?
Oh, well, with you I'm well and good.
Today we will be cooking an original Italian dish, but more a Sicilian dish, isn't it?
Today we are cooking pasta con I broccoli.
Pasta con I broccoli. Kalau bahasa Indonesianya pasta dengan brokoli, ya. Masakan ini memang khas dari Sicily. So this is a Sicilian dish. So you are actually from Sicily?
Yes, I was born in Noto, in the southeast of Sicily.
Oh, excellent, excellent. That is a place that I have never been, but I still want to go. Right? So before we start to cook, tell me, if I go to Sicily, yeah, what do I have to see? Where should I go?
It's very complicated to explain because my land is marvelous. It's an island like Indonesia, but of course Sicily is smaller than Indonesia.
Yes. Jadi ada semuanya ya. Jadi kalau kita datang ke Sicily, I also know that the Sicilian cuisine is very delicious. Why?
Also, there are many reasons for this. Flavors and smells are nice, are good, because Sicily is a melting pot culture.
Okay, so
Yes.
Okay, so Sicily katanya itu melting pot culture ya, karena mungkin banyak influence dari beberapa negara gitu loh, ya nggak? Kayak misalnya, you have influence from
Greeks.
Dari Yunani, ada influence-nya dari Yunani kalau kita lihat dari bagian timurnya, from the east side, right?
Yes,
Okay.
East. And also from Northern Africa, from Arabic people.
Jadi dari North Africa sama dari Arab ada juga banyak influence-nya ya kalau kita lihat di Sicily.
And also from Spanish people and French people.
Oh, jadi ada influence-nya juga dari Spanyol dan dari Prancis juga, Prancis Selatan ya. Jadi itu yang dibilang tadi sama Bu Maria bahwa Sicily itu adalah melting pot ya. Jadi di sana kita menemukan banyak flavor ya. We find a lot of flavors, flavor dan juga cita rasa dari beberapa tradisi. Okay, good. Let's go to the cooking. So today we said we do a pasta with broccoli. What pasta are we using today?
Today I use penne.
Okay, penne pasta. Why are you using penne today?
I use small pasta
because the short one, the small one.
Short pasta. Because is a small short pasta married with the broccoli. It's better to mix with the broccoli.
Okay. Nah, ini kenapa hari ini Ibu Maria menggunakan pasta yang pendek ya, khususnya hari ini penne ya. Karena kalau kita makan dengan brokolinya ukurannya kurang lebih sama. Jadi pas kita makan itu lebih enak, lebih gampang dibanding pasta yang panjang. Yes. That makes a lot of sense. Okay. What do we have to do first, Ibu?
Allora, firstly, we are going to cook broccoli.
Broccoli, okay.
To boil broccoli.
So I will cut for you the broccoli, Ibu. Right? So
yes.
This I will cut away a little bit, nah? But you can use the entire. How big do you want to have?
Yes,
all. How big? All. Okay. Like, let me see. This good size? Like
Yes.
this? Okay.
Good.
So we're cutting a little bit on the broccoli, but we also use everything of the broccoli. Huh?
Yes. Because I like fresh vegetables, especially when vegetables are fresh. It's important don't waste.
Nah.
Don't waste.
That's true. I agree with you. Jadi kata ibu, kalau bisa kita menggunakan khususnya di sini brokoli atau sayuran yang fresh ya, tapi jangan ada sampahnya ya. Jadi ini semua sebenarnya bisa dimakan ini. Ini kita bisa potong semuanya, bisa dimakan ini sebetulnya. Mungkin kalau di rumah saya nggak tahu. Kalian suka makan stemnya nggak? Kalau saya sih suka sekali. Ini rasanya sedikit kayak kailan. So now we turn this one on, yeah.
Yes.
Turn this one on. We put
Or
the boiling, hot
to
boiling,
boil.
so it's going to be boiled very quick. We can even make even hotter. This is even
Yes.
hotter. Goes very quick and it boils. So,
We can put kosher salt.
okay, di sini kita punya beberapa bahan-bahan ya. Maybe we explain a little bit of the ingredients that you have.
Oh,
right?
yes.
You have penne.
Penne and anchovy fillet.
Ini ada anchovy ya. Ini anchovy ya dipakai ini. And then
And kosher salt
Okay.
for boiling water.
ini kosher salt atau juga sea salt juga boleh dipakai ya. Ini untuk khusus ngerebus pastanya dan ngerebus brokolinya ya.
Normal salt.
Ini garam biasa untuk nanti seasoning.
Garlic.
Bawang putih ya, nanti akan kita gunakan juga untuk masakan ini.
And chili, fresh chili.
And then we have broccoli.
Broccoli.
Of course, we have
Fresh
broccoli.
vegetable.
Fresh broccoli, okay. And then we have something
Then,
else.
At the end, cheese, Italian cheese, parmesan,
Parmesan.
or pecorino
Atau
cheese.
pecorino. Jadi yang asli ya dipakai kalau mau rasanya memang benar asli, menggunakan nanti cheese-nya yang parmesan yang asli sama juga pecorino. And then we use also olive oil, right?
Olive oil.
Ini kita juga pakai olive
extra
oil.
virgin.
Extra virgin olive oil. Okay, Ibu.
Okay.
This is almost
Or
boiling.
Can
Yeah.
put
We can put the salt inside. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, we put. Ya, harus masukin garam benar-benar secukupnya supaya ada rasanya ya. Jangan pelit lah. Nih. So you let it boil, you want to put it inside, you want to let it boil first.
Yes.
Kita harus tunggu sampai benar-benar mendidih ya sebelum kita masukin brokolinya ke dalam situ. So maybe I put this inside here and then you can put it there.
Yes.
And then meanwhile I can cut some of the other ingredients. Yeah?
Okay.
Like this, I give it to
Okay.
you, I put it there. Maybe I close it up so it boils
it's
faster.
better, yes.
Okay, now garlic.
Peel garlic.
Peel the garlic. Okay, how do you
yes.
want me to peel the
Oh,
garlic?
It depends from you. I
want-
like garlic.
Yeah, I like it
Much
also.
garlic.
Yes, garlic is very good and very healthy.
Yes, for
jadi
me.
ibu seneng garlic ya, ibu seneng bawang putih karena memang bawang putih enak dan juga sangat sehat.
Yes.
Okay,
it's very
Bu.
tasty.
How do
But if someone doesn't like garlic,
Yeah, some people don't like garlic.
Can whole garlic
Okay.
and then
take it out? Okay.
yes.
You want me to cut?
Yes.
Okay.
Chop.
One or two?
Two.
Two, okay.
Chop finely.
Okay. She wants me to chop it finely. Jadi kita cincang ya bawang putihnya yang halus. Oke, kita chop garlicnya. Ya, kalau sedikit tetap pakai pisau nggak masalah. So we cut it very fine. Okay.
We can cook for 5-8 minutes,
Okay.
not overcooked,
Okay.
because it's better to drain
Yes.
al dente.
Okay.
What al dente, chef? What
okay.
al dente?
Al dente, so kata ibu paling baiknya itu dimasak cuman paling 5 menit aja, jangan sampai overcook supaya masih al dente. Al dente is basically blanched, still crunchy in the middle. Is cooked but it's still crunchy in the middle, right? Yes.
I put olive oil
Yes,
on
yes.
the pan.
Jadi kita sambil ini kita mulai masak masakannya dengan memasukin olive oil ke dalam pan-nya ya. Nah, ini nanti buat pastanya yang nanti dimasak bareng garlicnya, bareng pepperoncino.
I put much oil because for pasta,
Yeah.
to mix with the pasta, broccoli.
Okay.
It's important.
Okay.
I
Yes.
on okay, fry.
Okay.
Oh, nice.
Maybe use.
It's very
This
hard.
one's different.
Okay.
Okay.
Stir fry.
So, jadi Ibu Maria sudah masukin ya olive oilnya ke dalam pan-nya dan olive oilnya tidak sedikit, dikasih lumayan, ya nggak banyak tapi jangan pelit lah, ya nggak? Soalnya kalau ada pasta, ada sayuran, harus banyak minyaknya, khususnya olive oil ya. So,
Oh.
don't worry.
Yes.
You take it off? Okay.
Yes.
So don't worry. So
Oh.
I have this, the chili. How do you want to
Chili.
cut the chili? Just slice?
Slice.
The-
Yes.
the-
Oh,
take it
yes,
off?
I think.
Okay,
yes.
kita slice ininya.
Ecco.
How many chilies you want, Ibu? 1, 2?
No, it's
One
good
enough.
because it's
Very spicy.
spicy.
Jadi kita pakai satu cabai aja ya, karena
It's
lumayan
very
pedas
spicy.
katanya. Okay. Oh, it smells pedas also.
We wait.
It smells also very
We wait.
spicy. Okay, we wait.
We wait. Oh,
Okay.
I forgot something. I put a little baking soda here.
Ah.
Do you know why? For
Kata-
green color.
Ibu katanya dia masukin sedikit baking soda buat apa? Ini sedikit tips ya supaya warnanya tetap hijau ya. Boleh kalau dipakai tapi
tip.
ya it's a tip sedikit ya, suggestion. Tapi kalau seandainya nggak pakai juga nggak
Yes.
apa-apa. Yang penting garam. Garam itu sangat penting supaya warnanya tetap hijau dan bagus. Ya.
To keep a green color.
Yes. So, jadi sekarang kalau punya anchovy di awalnya kita masukin dulu anchovy sedikit ya. Nah, you can put it down. And then supaya anchoviesnya itu mengeluarkan semua aromanya ya ke dalam pan-nya. Nah, itu juga nanti di mash sedikit sama Ibu. Ini udah sebenarnya udah di mash ya. Tapi kalau memang utuh harus di mash sedikit ya. Ya.
No problem.
No problem.
Okay. No problem. Okay. It's better.
Yes. Make it,
I
jadi apinya
mash.
kecil aja, make it smaller. Wait, I have to-
Oh.
Don't worry. I'm used
Don't
to
worry.
this too. Now you go a little bit higher. You go here.
Okay.
300. It smell already ya. You can smell the anchovy. Kecium sekarang anchovinya.
Oh. I
Garlic?
think garlic.
Oke, sekarang kita masukin garlicnya. Oh,
Garlic.
this could be very good, man. Ini bakalan enak sekali, baunya udah enak nih.
And now
We put the chili
chili.
inside, ya.
Pepperoncino.
What about your here? Your
Oh,
your
yes.
broccoli, okay?
Yes. Okay.
Okay, let me-
Okay. And then now I drain
Yes.
broccoli al dente.
Al dente. Ingat ya,
course.
brokolinya al dente.
Al dente. We come back to al dente for pasta.
Okay.
It's important
Ibu,
for Italian.
I think I can turn this off,
It's
nah?
good.
I can turn this off.
Okay.
Oke, kita matiin dulu karena kita mau masak pastanya dulu.
Not,
ya. Oke.
Okay. And now
Now,
pasta.
oke. Nah, pastanya ini dimasukin ke air yang sama di mana kita tadi masak brokolinya. Jadi jangan ganti air ya, supaya rasanya ini benar-benar enak dan dapat rasa brokolinya. Pastanya dimasak dengan air yang sama. Jadi ya, paling gampang adalah baca bungkusannya. Di dalam bungkusan, di package-nya tuh biasanya tertulis berapa lama kita harus masak pastanya. Dan setiap pasta itu jenisnya berbeda, cooking time-nya berbeda. Jadi kalau khususnya biasanya kayak penne barusan ini biasanya kita 12 menit ya. Kalau Ibu biasanya kalau masak masakan ini, Ibu masak penne-nya 10 menit, kemudian ditarik, dimasukin ke pan-nya, pas lagi masak dengan brokolinya, ditambah 2 menit lagi di dalam pan, habis itu sudah sempurna. Ya. Ibu, I have another question that many people don't know or won't like to know. When you eat pasta in Italy, do you use the spoon or not? When you eat pasta, right?
Pasta. Oh, it depends from pasta. It's short pasta. It's spaghetti. No, spaghetti. It's fork.
Just the
With
fork. Just
yes.
yeah. Okay.
Ability to round fork. And for short pasta,
You can
It
use the
depends.
spoon.
For penne, forks. I
Yeah.
use forks.
Yeah.
For shorter pasta, spoon.
Yes. I heard that we have now the International Italian or the World Italian
What
Cuisine
a week Italian
Week.
cuisine. We celebrate Italian cuisine in the world. But we know Italian cuisine is famous in the world. But we aim to promote the authentic Italian food. Italian ingredient, Italian product, no imitation.
The real stuff. What about the pasta? The pasta is still...
No,
Still not yet.
Still not
Tapi
yet.
kita udah siap ya. We have already
Okay,
the sauce. We have
we
the
can
broccoli
put it
already.
on
So
the-
now maybe we can cook the
yes,
broccoli?
Yes.
Okay.
I put
Okay.
broccoli in the pan.
Okay, we put the broccoli into the pan.
Can I say the same?
Yes,
because,
please.
Now is oh,
No problem.
oh my God!
Not 5 minutes.
Sorry.
Belum 5 menit, nggak apa-apa.
It's my cuisine.
Yes.
I cook every day.
You cook
know?
every day?
Do you know, chef?
Wow, no, I didn't know. You cook every day.
Every day for my family.
Excellent. Very good. Oh.
I put
The pasta water.
Yeah.
Jadi abis brokolinya masuk, nanti dimasukin sedikit pasta water ya, airnya pasta. Untuk apa? Supaya nanti pas spaghettinya masuk juga nyampurnya enak dan memberi spagettinya sedikit moisture kan. Nah,
To know this al dente,
Yeah.
pasta al dente,
oke.
you can,
Oke.
yes.
Tuh supaya tahu ini al dente ya.
Ah,
Jadi dia soft tapi dalamnya masih chewy. Yeah. So,
good,
it's good.
good. Maybe more.
A little bit
Salt.
more you can, yeah.
Salt.
A little bit more salt.
Salt.
Yes, you're right. A little bit more salt.
Yes.
Tapi karena ada kurang garam dikit, bener harus kasih
I
garam
put-
dikit lagi. Dia tambah garam lagi di dalam situ. Benar-benar tahu masakannya. Biasanya kalau tahu masak pasti nambah sesuatu gitu. Kalau masih kurang sempurna. Hah? Very interesting.
It depends.
Oke,
It depends.
sekarang pastanya masuk.
Ah,
Yes.
ecco. We continue to cook. Oh,
Whee!
chef! Amazing. I am impressed. Ancora non è finita. Ecco. Oh,
Oke.
it's better to drain like this,
Yes.
not in the pot to drain, because water,
Yes.
water is important to mix
In the pasta, yes.
pasta and broccoli.
Yes, yes. In any pasta, I think in any dish, it's good like this, that you take the
Okay.
pasta to the other side from the water.
Okay, and
Yeah.
then now
You mix?
I stir and I mix and I stir.
This is very healthy, you know, Bu. Jadi sebetulnya ini juga sangat sehat ya, karena semua bahan-bahannya fresh satu, keduanya light ya, dan sangat tasty lah. Ya nggak?
Can I put
Oh, you put additional olive
little.
oil, okay. Oke, tambah olive oil lagi. Oh, this is
It's
very
important
nice. Yes, you can see
to
the
make
yeah.
a little cream, no?
Yes, yes.
Little.
It oils
huh?
it up, yeah. It makes it creamy.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's enough.
Nice.
Enough.
Enough. Okay.
Okay.
Now,
Okay, now I think we can add the cheese. But you know, I want to say something. Because you put the anchovy inside, yeah, I think it makes the dish also very delicious. Very typical south of Italy, right? And I think, and I'm very sure, this suits very well for the Indonesian palate. Kalau menurut saya ya, ini rasanya cocok banget untuk kita orang Indonesia karena ada rasa ancovinya, sedikit inget terasi, ya nggak? Kemudian ada cabenya, ada bawang putihnya, cocok banget untuk lidah kita. I think it's very good, Bu. So, cheese, You want me to grate some cheese here? Maybe
Yes.
cut cheese?
Yes. Or pecorino
Which one?
cheese.
Which one? Pecorino or-
pecorino.
Pecorino. Okay. You want me to cut here
Yes.
like this?
Yes.
Enough?
Yes, yes.
Like this?
Okay. Okay.
Put here?
Yes. Okay. Flavor of the pecorino is different. It's
Yes.
spicy.
It's more spicier.
But, than parmesan.
Yeah. Jadi-
Parmesan is light.
Yeah.
It's for I like parmesan for risotto.
Yes.
Very tasty.
Jadi sebetulnya pecorino itu lebih spicy ya dibanding kalau spicy maksudnya lebih asin, lebih medok lah rasanya dibanding parmesan. Kalau parmesan itu lebih light. Tapi kalau kita ingin lebih gurih harus pakai pecorino. I think this enough, no?
Oh, yes.
Huh? That's enough?
Yes.
Okay.
Perfect.
Put this on the side.
Impiattiamo.
Yeah.
Come si dice in italiano, impiattare. Put
Plating.
pasta,
The pasta on the
on the plate. Impiattare.
Impiattare.
It's important also. Good impiattare.
Beautiful. Yes. This one. Okay. Pecorino. Ini yang membuat ininya gurih ya dan enak. Ya untuk yang suka makan cheese, inilah sangat tepat.
Chef.
Very good.
Buon appetito.
Bon appetito. Selamat makan. Check this one out. Beautiful. Here we go. What was the name again?
Pasta con i broccoli.
Pasta con i broccoli from Sicily.
From Maria.
From cooked by a
Sicilian.
Cooked by a Sicilian
Sicilian woman.
from Sicily.
From
Excellent.
Sicily.
Oke semuanya, saya Chef Degan dan Ibu Maria. We are out.